Welcome home. So today I'm showing you a 300 square yard builder floor located in our block in New Rajendra Nagar. It's a triplex. We have a lavish drawing dining area here. Niche we have Italian flooring, and the best part that I like about this house is the lush green view. I can actually hear the chirping of the birds. Our block is one of the prime address in New Rajendra Nagar, and people always want a house here. So let me show you the house. On my left hand side, you get a modular kitchen. It's fully fitted. You get all the appliances here like hob, chimney, microwave, separate utility area and a proper pantry. The best part is it is a 4 BHK, which is very rare to find in a location like our block, because our block में majorly 300 yards के घर होते हैं. This is your first bedroom. We have cassettes AC, and on my right hand side there's the washroom where you get cooler fittings. Okay, so now let me show you the other 3 rooms. इस साइड पे है बाकी 3 rooms. This is your another room, and you get floor to ceiling windows, at the same time floor to ceiling wardrobes, and these are huge wardrobes end to end. And we have a washroom here. Every room has an attached washroom. The best part that I like about this house is the second best thing, you have a private lift. So even if you have to go to the basement, you don't have to use the stairs. So let me take you to your private basement now. Okay, so right now I'm in the basement area. You have this lavish basement, and बहुत बार मुझे मेरे क्लाइंट्स पूछते हैं कि मेघा हम बेसमेंट को कैसे यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. बेसमेंट में इतना ज़्यादा स्कोप होता है इतनी सारी चीज़ें करने का. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन कन्वर्ट वन एरिया इनटू थिएटर रूम. You can convert one area into steam sauna room where you can have your own private jacuzzi. You can use this space to host parties, host get-together or small functions too. The best thing the builder has done is that he has also given a room in the basement. So it's not actually a 4 BHK, it's a 5 BHK. Plus on my right hand side, this is the glass area for proper ventilation and garden too. तो basement connect होती है still parking area से. Still parking area में builder ने इधर दिया है आपका separate gate, so you don't have to disturb anybody else, and you get 2 car parking over here. Our block में सारे घरों के साथ only 1 car parking space मिलती है, but this is exclusive. This is like having your own beautiful triplex in our block. So if you are planning to buy your dream home in our block, contact me, Megha Bhatia from Book Your Ghar, and we'll be happy to assist you. We have exclusive deals here of floors as well as plots, specifically in our block and NA area. So we are here to assist you in finding you your dream home. Call us on the number mentioned below to schedule your site visit.